Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Flosstube Day and it's my 271st Flosstube, and today is March 11th, 2025, and we have our March Cup for St. Patrick's Day, or St. Patrick's Month. Anyway, and I am having jasmine green tea today. Holy cow, what a week. Do have my little book today that I got from Jill. Isn't it sweet? I love it. So yeah, it didn't seem like it was busy as all this indicates. What can I say? Yeah. But, yeah, we did a few things. We had a few starts, had a few reviews. I had 4 reviews and 4 starts. No particular order, right? So let's take a look. Let me get a place for that book so it doesn't fall down. We'll start with the one I got from Paint Some Way. And this is the begonias. I don't have a picture because, as you remember, it was a spring kit, and the picture is, I haven't cut it off yet, is on the front of the box because it was a spring kit. So the only thing that I got done on this was the red that we put in. I'm not sure what of the color of red it is, but yeah, that's all that I did there. Moving on, yeah, let me just set that in the bag and put it right there. I should have had a bigger bag, but it is what it is. Now this one I got from GBFKE, and let me see if I can get it out of here. The thread always slows me down. What can I say? This is Alpine Village, and I started up here in this corner, and I went just a little crazy for me. I did get two, maybe 3 colors. I may be being on the 3rd color there into that corner. I wanted to kind of complete it, and I also went down here and started on these 2 roofs, because I kind of wanted to surround that light orangish colored symbol, because it was just a little hard to see. So I thought if I got the other colors in it, it would be fine. So yeah, making some progress on that one. So really happy about that. It'll stay out this week. So I really, really do like that. I guess we're just putting them on the floor today. Not like anything will happen to them. Now this one I got from VIP Cross Stitch, and this was in part 2. I can get it to come out of there carefully. It is the, I call it Wildflowers. Isn't that what it's called? Wildflowers, flower in bloom. Yeah. Okay, so we all know there's more than one, right? So I'm not real sure where I started on this. Gonna have to look. Give me a sec. So we started down here in this green. Oops. Sorry, wrong side. I was like, wow, I know it's darker than that. Underneath this, because we started this on my March Saturday stitching, and I did not get any more than that done. So, yeah. Evidently, it was not the flavor of the weekend. So, I will keep these smaller ones out. Now, Alpine Village is a little bit bigger, so we're just going to keep on working on it, kind of like I do Mediterranean. And this is the one that I really went insane with. This was from, oh dear, let me look. And I don't have a picture. This is the Peony and Butterfly, and I do believe I got this from GBFKE. I just didn't write it on this here for some reason. And here is the picture of it. I really, really do like this. So we started over here in this yellowish orange flower. I did do some purple over here, and I came back here since I finished like the top part of that yellow flower, but I really need to do a different color. You know what I mean, Fern? So I started in on the purple. I don't know what day that was. Saturday, Sunday. I can't even remember. Maybe Sunday. So, as you can see, I got the top part of that flower done. There's the purple that I was working on. I just kept going. So about that much of that yellow flower is done, so I still have the center and the bottom part, of course. And then over here, I did work a little bit on a purple flower here with some of the same colors as was up in here. So I really like this one, as you can tell. So that is what I got done with that. I think it's the one I stitched actually the most on all weekend. And that is all the starts. Like I said, no particular order. Now this one, oh darn. Do I not? I have no idea. Of course. Oh, here it is. I'm like, where did that picture go? I just love the colors in this. I don't care if it's a 9 count, 11 count, whatever. I think it's beautiful. Just absolutely stunning, stunning colors. And I think all we got done was a couple colors in. Get a hold of the crazy thread. Come on, all y'all. Now, there we go. So that is all I got done on that one. But I really do like that. So I'll be stitching on it some more this week. I'm putting that picture in there so it doesn't get all buggered up. And that came from DP Clubs. What time does it say? Oh, of course not. There's no date of when I started it, so I think it was last month. Maybe. We also worked on Ancient Peonies, and this week we worked up here in this reddish part. Now I know that was 321. It is Egyptian cotton. Oh, I guess I can just leave it off. I found my... I lost my magnet. Yeah. Found it. My little table here beside me is metal. It just attracted to that like a duck to water. But yeah, that's all I got done on that this last time. And I worked on this one. This one came from 7 Great. Really like this. So I wanted to work on... Sorry. It is the Streets of London. And I had been up here trying to finish this, I believe it's London Bridge. So I came down. I wanted to work with some other colors, so I started working on that long half circle thing of the telephone booth. So let me see where it's at. See if I can get it folded. So let me pull that over. So you can see I've got some of that shaded background done, but mainly I worked on this little half circle thing. So I think it's got maybe a couple more symbols in it, maybe 3. But yeah, I really like working on it. It's a 14 count as well. So let me get it back in its bag because I don't need to lose any of this. And last but not least, I don't even know why I'm showing you this, but oh my goodness, really? Some days the zippers really work, and I don't have the picture of it. This is Watertown Memory. It's the big, huge one. It is 360 by 74. So I was just, of course it's upside down. Hold, please. There'll be a hot moment. And flip. So I've been working in that corner, so I put in a few more threads, and as you can see, that dark thread is going to be kind of an outline color. Now my hair's sticking to me. So yeah, just little by little. I didn't put too much work into that. Not that you could tell the difference, but I like working on it. The fabric is fabulous. I mean, as far as the feel, hold onto it. Sometimes the, now at the upper right hand of that, where I started, it was really kind of difficult to see all the symbols. So that's why I went to the lower left bottom on that. So, yeah. But that is everything that I worked on. No clue what I'm going to be liking this next week, as far as that goes. I probably will have a few reviews. Excuse me, I'm trying to get my pen so I don't lose it. It's in there. Yeah, we'll probably have some reviews, and maybe I'll drag out some that you haven't seen in a Coon's Age, but no grandiose plans. This coming up weekend, on Saturday, we'll have March Saturday stitching, of course. And if you have any pictures you want to send me, I can get them into Stitch With Me's. So I'll get them in as soon as I possibly can. So don't panic if you send it to me. You know, I will get them in there. But other than that, I don't think that there was anything else. It's a little, I don't, it's hard to explain. It's busier than it has been at work, but not overwhelmingly busy like summer would be. So that kind of is a little bit of a factor. So I'm just a little bit more tired when I get home Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So if things don't jive, you'll know exactly what's going on, because we have spring break for Texas, California, and then us. And I think ours is more into April. Only guessing. I can't even remember what my daughter said about us, you know, and when it is. But I think it's closer to Easter. So anyway, we got all that to look forward to, but at least it makes the days go a little bit faster and the time change, so it's staying light a lot longer, so we'll see. Alright guys, I hope that didn't sound like a rambling mess, but I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.